Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Akbar Tech. Today my topic is about point number 1, gravity. Everyday phenomenon, objects fall when dropped. Science explanation. Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass toward one another. It's what keeps us grounded and causes objects to fall when unspotted. Point number 2, magnetism. Everyday phenomenon, magnets attract or repel certain materials. Science explanation. Magnetism is the result of the alignment of atoms' magnetic fields within a material, like poles repel and opposite poles attract. Point number 3, rainbows. Everyday phenomenon, rainbows appear after rain. Science explanation. Rainbows are formed when sunlight is refracted or bent and reflected inside raindrops, creating a spectrum of colors. Point number 4, photosynthesis. Everyday phenomenon. Plants reduce oxygen and glucose from sunlight and carbon dioxide. Science explanation. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy, sugar, and release oxygen as a byproduct. Point number 5, evaporation. Everyday phenomenon. Puddles dry up over time. Science explanation. Evaporation occurs when a liquid turns into vapor or gas due to increased temperature, breaking the liquid's intermolecular bonds. Point number 6, tides. Everyday phenomenon. The ocean tides rise and fall. Science explanation. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on Earth's oceans, resulting in the cyclic rise and fall of sea level. Point number 7, sound propagation. Everyday phenomenon. Sound travels through the air. Science explanation. Sound is a vibrant that propagates as a wave through a medium like air, water, and solid objects. Its travel as compression and rarefaction. Point number 8, fire. Everyday phenomenon. Wood and other materials burn. Science explanation. Fire is a chemical reaction called combustion involving the rapid oxidation of a fuel source in the presence of heat and oxygen. Point number 9, seasons. Everyday phenomenon. Seasons change throughout the year. Science explanation. Seasons and caused by the tilt of Earth axis, which leads to variation in the angle and duration of sunlight received at different time of the year. Point number 6, refraction of sunlight. Everyday phenomenon. Objects appear distorted when viewed through water or glass. Science explanation. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another, causing the change in the way objects appear. Point number 11, static electricity. Everyday phenomenon. Hair stands on end after rubbing a balloon against it. Science explanation. Static electricity is the result of an imbalance of electric charges on the surface of objects, causing them to attract or repel each other. Point number 12, ice melting. Everyday phenomenon. Ice cubes melt in warm water. Science explanation. Melting occur when a solid ice absorbs heat energy from its surrounding and changes into a liquid water. Point number 13, reflection in mirrors. Everyday phenomenon. You see your reflection in a mirror. Science explanation. Mirror reflect light by smooth and highly polished surface. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video with your friends.